Adding a dash of politeness, mastering the art of "can I" with intonation and emphasis. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English learning series. Today, we'll delve into an interesting aspect of conversational English, one that often goes unnoticed but plays a crucial role in conveying our messages accurately and politely. We'll explore how intonation and emphasis can change the meaning of "can I" in making offers. Let's get started. Intonation, in English, refers to the rise and fall of our voice when we speak. When using "can I," the intonation can considerably affect the politeness level and meaning of our offer. Consider the sentence, "Can I get you a cup of coffee?" With a rising intonation at the end, it sounds like a polite and genuine offer. On the other hand, if we end the sentence with a falling intonation, it might sound like a rhetorical question or a statement rather than an offer. Practicing intonation can greatly enhance your conversational skills and politeness. Emphasis, in this context, refers to stressing certain words to convey a particular meaning or emotion. The word we choose to stress in "can I" can change the entire tone and intent behind our offer. For example, "Can I help you with that?" By emphasizing "I," you're putting focus on yourself as the one willing to help, which can be seen as a genuine and heartfelt offer. If we stress the word "can," it may seem like you're questioning your ability to help, which might be seen as less polite or confident. Remember, the word you stress matters a lot when making an offer. When making offers using "can I," your intonation and emphasis can make your offer come across as more polite and genuine. Politeness in English is not just about using the right words, but also about how you say them. Keep practicing to make your "can I" offers sound as polite and sincere as possible. And that's a wrap on today's lesson. We've learned how intonation and emphasis can greatly influence our offers using "can I," making them more or less polite. Remember, it's not just what you say, but also how you say it. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll master the art of making polite offers in English. Stay tuned for more lessons on conversational English. Until next time, happy learning!